Hello guys, welcome for the next video from the Detector Geeks. And I'm going to show you how to make a firearm system at home. It's quite so simple and easy. Let us see how this system works. We have a sensor. This sensor detects the frames, and after detecting the frame, it's going to produce a signal to our digital output that is going to trigger our LED light over here. And our LED is going to be used to trigger the siren. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Medical content. Let us assemble the circuit and see how the circuit is working. This is the firearm sensor. As you can see, it has the analog output, the ground, the positive and the digital output. As per now, we are going to use the digital output in our circuit. Our second component is the breadboard. It will also be of helpful in order to make the connections. We also have the siren and the relay module, as you can see. Lastly, we have a power supply system, a power supply unit. Let us now begin with our connections. Now our circuit is free to be mounted into our houses. Remember to always follow the circuit diagram as in the description below to come out with a perfect working circuit.